Hello and welcome to Wisefuss. Today, we'll guide you on how to use Leonardo AI to create stunning images by incorporating your own images or adding artistic elements. Let's get started. First, log into your Leonardo AI account. Once you're in, you can browse through the community images for inspiration. To begin creating your image, click on AI Image Generation on the left panel. Choose Leonardo Creative and you'll be directed to the AI image generation page. Here you can adjust the number of images you want to generate. Keep in mind that on the free plan you have 150 tokens and each image requires 1 token. Now let's focus on the image prompt. Click on it to upload your desired image, which you want to enhance or use as a reference for your generated images. You can also add text prompts like dragon underwater, realistic with fire and sunrise. Use the negative prompt to exclude specific features you don't want in the image, like fire and water. When you hit generate, Leonardo AI will provide you with an image that combines the text and the uploaded image prompt. If you prefer, you can drag and drop the image directly into the prompt field, allowing you to fine-tune the generated images. Let's upload 3 sunrise images to the prompt and hit generate to see how it blends with the text prompt. Adjust the image weight and prompt magic strength to get the perfect results. Experiment with the settings until you achieve the desired image. Once you're satisfied, click on the download icon to save it to your computer. Remember, you can also upscale the image for more detailed results, but it will require additional tokens. And there you have it, a fantastic image prompt tutorial using Leonardo AI. Now you can create your own unique and captivating images effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and happy creating.